Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to pay on AliExpress. So paying on AliExpress is simple and secure. When you added your items to your cart and you are ready to check out, I'm going to my order confirmation page. First of all, I need to enter my shipping address. So here in this section, I can see my current shipping address. Also, you can add new one. And then let's go to payment section, tap here, and here basically you can enter your new card, and also you can see some more options that you can choose and some local payment methods depending on your country. So once you enter your payment details, tap confirm button and review your order to make sure that the items, quantities, and shipping address are correct. After confirming, you can click Pay Now button, and your money will be processed and held safely by AliExpress until you confirm receipt of the item. And if anything goes wrong, you can open a dispute to get a refund for the item, and you will get your money back. So that's how I can pay on AliExpress. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.